Wow, I have never seen Uber and Lyft actually come together for once. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and welcome back to the Rideshare Hub channel. This channel is all about being a better Uber and Lyft driver, and now I'm also basically just sharing breaking news. If you drive for any of the platforms, make sure to give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Within the next 10 to 11 weeks, I'm gonna be going over every single platform that is in my area. I already drive for Uber and Lyft, but I'm gonna do a week of just Uber, a week of just Lyft, a week of just DoorDash, Instacart, Postmates, Uber Eats, Grubhub. I'm gonna go through all the apps and see which one you can really make the most money with, because I really only have experience driving Uber and Lyft and a little bit of Postmates, but I'm gonna put it to the test, so subscribe, stay tuned for that. Today's video, guys, Uber and Lyft come together as well as other companies. We're talking about DoorDash, Postmates, Uber, and Lyft are coming together to stop this employment bill. If you guys haven't heard, very brief background is that there is an employment bill that's going to pass in California, potentially, that would basically require Uber and Lyft to treat their drivers as employees, and Uber and Lyft really do not want to do that. There's a lot of tax. There's a mess. For one, it's more expensive, but for two, it's for liability reasons. They don't want their drivers, us, being employees, because it's less responsibility for them. They want to create this platform where they just connect people. They don't want to actually have drivers as employees, because then they need to provide benefits and whatnot. So anyways, there is this huge article that just came out on the LA Times. I don't know if you've seen this. Treat workers as employees, Uber, Lyft, and others scrambling for a compromise. So as you can see here, this guy says, shame on Uber, shame on Lyft. Without drivers, you don't exist. That was a pretty good poem right there. He doesn't look too happy, so I feel his pain. Income safety, Uber and Lyft, those are showing the, return the 25% you stole, 65% a mile. Basically, guys, people want to become employees. Drivers do. The way I say people do is because I don't want to be an employee, but at the same time, there's a lot more that goes into it. A lot of the other big rideshare YouTubers did talk about it. I'm no expert on this. I'm just sharing my opinion and thoughts. But basically, people are fed up and they want more pay. There's been a bunch of strikes that have happened along with the IPO and the government finally saying, look, you guys need to make them employees. And Uber and Lyft, they're kind of, they're ready to compromise and give drivers employee type benefits like a minimum pay or a set pay, because at this point it's either employee or Uber and Lyft have to step up. Faced with the looming threat to their way of doing business, Uber, Lyft, and other major on-demand companies are trying something they've historically been reluctant to, seeking compromise. In recent months, Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, Postmates, and other companies have been in discussions with officials at two labor unions, Teamsters and service employees, blah, blah, blah. I'll kind of keep this short because I know, it can get boring and stuff. But at least two of the companies have also commissioned surveys to feel how such a deal would play with Californians, with benefits and stuff and protections. The proposal details are in flux. Would continue to treat workers as independent contractors, with providing them some benefits, protections typically reserved for employees. I honestly think that is the best case scenario. Let me know what you guys think. Again, I just wanted to get this video quickly up, and it is pretty insane. If you don't live in California, you probably don't know what's going on, because this is just in California right now. But again, if this passes in California, this could pass on to other states too. Probably will soon. Other states are gonna see, yeah, we do have 3 million drivers in the United States. Maybe it's time to change our laws as well. So let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Again, give the video a big thumbs up if you drive for Uber, Lyft, or you want to increase in pay for Uber, Lyft, or any rideshare platform. You guys are the best. I will talk to y'all soon. Have a great day. All right, bye guys.